So, इमरान, आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस था ये वीडियो शूट करते समय, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था, रेपुटेशन
नहीं, रेपुटेशन तो हो गया. I'll make up for it in the next film.
हाँ.
With Isha only, don't worry.
अच्छा.
But I mean, first of all, it's an honor कि the team at T Series and Bhushan ji offered me this song. It's a growing trend that's been led by this music company, and I was very happy to be part of what I felt was, when I heard the track a month before we shot it in Goa, I felt this is right up there with my best, with my films. And unfortunately, yes, yeah, I would be more greedy if it was in a film, but yes, it's a music video. But again, one of my favorite tracks, and I think both of them have done a fantastic job at the composition, the singing, the lyrics, and it's a track that I feel stands the test of time. It will. It's a classic that even after 10 or 20 years, it will still sound as contemporary as it sounds today. And coming down to eventually depicting that on screen, a great story written by Sagar, and Amit has directed it fabulously. I feel we struggle in 2 hour films to get the emotion out, but Amit has done a fantastic job of creating that ambience and shooting it in that 6-minute video.
I think the lyrics penned down also are really meaningful and very beautifully done.
It is
very beautifully done.
It's done very well, and of course with Rashmi has written the lyrics, and it's again very soulful, that adds to the touch. And last but not least, Isha, after Jannat and Raz. Unfortunately, I didn't get to romance her in this. She goes off with someone else. But like I said, we'll make up for it.
Isha, what would you like to say about this?
Yeah, I think this was a sweet change that Imran didn't get me in this song, because I think the first 2 films he did. But talking about the video, it's a beautiful song. Imran and I, that's what we were discussing before when we got the uncut scratch that Arman had sung, and there was just like a piano or something in the background, I think, right? Yeah, that he was playing. It was just like we heard it and we were just like, yeah, we have to do it. We have to do it. The voice is soulful. The music is soulful. It's something different. And thanks to T Series, it's always famous for its great music. But I'm more so thankful to giving us a song like this, like Imran rightly said, which is going to be heard even after 10 years and still going to linger around in your mind, and you'll know the lyrics, you'll know the song, and you'll remember how the video looked like. So thanks to Amit and even thanks to Rashmi for that.
मैंने अमित से कहा था कि यार मेरी रेपुटेशन गई इस गाने के बाद, क्योंकि मुझे लड़की नहीं मिलती है, और जनरली फिल्मों में मुझे 3 मिनट में मिल जाती है लड़की, और 6 मिनट के बाद भी नहीं मिलती है इसमें. तो मैंने पहले पूछा कि कैन इट बी चेंज्ड. ही सेड नहीं यार, दिस इज. देन आई फेल्ट विद द वे ही हैड नरेटेड इट टू मी एंड द वे इट्स बीन पेन डाउन, आई फेल्ट दैट couldn't be a better music video and a structure for this, क्योंकि हर लाइन पर एक थॉट है. It flows through it, and एक crescendo है end में music video में, so it all works in synergy. That was the thought, and I felt that it's a brilliant music video that's been directed well, the conceptually done, which adds to the feel of the song and just enhances it. क्योंकि जब आपका visual दिखता है वो अच्छा होता है, it just takes the song to another level. Of course, the song is very good. And the visual representation is very good also.
And गाने का निचोड़ अगर मैं मानूं तो है कि इजहार सही टाइम पे और जल्द से जल्द कर देना चाहिए इश्क का.
Definitely, that's the takeaway. For all the boys who have wasted time and who have not said it, they should say it right then after seeing this.
तो इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप और ईशा, अगर आप दोनों शेयर करना चाहें कुछ उन पलों को जब आप कभी ऐसा सोचे हो किसी खास इंसान के लिए, और
मैंने कहा नहीं.
हाँ.
मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ. आपने मेरी फिल्में नहीं देखी हैं.
असल जिंदगी
कहने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है.
भूषण जी, आप क्या कहेंगे इस पूरे एक्सपीरियंस का?
See, this was my, in late 90s, we used to make albums, and that was owned by the music companies. But later on, it all went to film albums and film songs and all. So I always wanted to start this trend, getting the song, because I strongly believe at T Series, if song sells, it's not just if it is attached to a film only, then only it will sell. So that's the reason I started this trend, and by which I'm getting new talent on board, like Amal and Arman both. Yes, this is his first single with me, and I was very excited about it initially when I heard the song, and then I sent the song to Imran, and it was just a scratch, you know, and he approved the song. Yes, I want to feature in it just on the scratch. So it goes to me because of the melody, which he rightly said, that song is very melodious, the tune is very melodious, and the lyrics are so good. So he just said yes on just a scratch. There was no rhythm when I sent the track to him.
Amal, my man, how do you manage doing this all the time?
I don't know. I just believe in making good music, something that I connect to, and I feel कि if it can make me feel an emotion, I think everyone will connect to it.
Very sweet. My first question to you, Arman. Hey.
We both did it together only. मतलब.
Acha, he was doing it for you.
No. No, but I thought it's a big day, so might as well just look.
Congratulations on that. I think the song is fantastic. You sound legendary.
Thank
I
you
think
so
you're
much.
going to be the next, the future, the big thing in the country.
Thanks.
Well, great music. Thank you very much.